This demonstration features Veridify's mutual authentication and data protection solution running on ON Semiconductor's RSL10, the industry's lowest power Bluetooth System-on-Chip or SoC tag. The RSL10 supports a wide range of sensors, and today we will be using an integrated real-time temperature sensor. To showcase Veridify security for protecting devices at the edge of the IoT, we will be using two RSL10s, pictured on the left. One sensor labeled Authentic is provisioned with valid keys and certificates that will authenticate a user. A trusted user can then verify that the sensor is authentic too. On the right is a bad or fake sensor that a hacker may be trying to insert into a production system. It does not have valid credentials. We'll be using the pictured smartphone running a Veridify app to communicate with each sensor, both as an authentic user and then as a black hat or fake user. For the balance of this demonstration, we will show just the smartphone screen along with the sensors. When we open the Veridify app, it scans for valid tags and immediately finds our two RSL10s. First, we will access an authentic sensor by selecting the ON Semi tag, and we are presented with the two user roles, an authentic user and a black hat or fake user. We will choose the authentic user first. The app will connect to the selected tag, send our app's credentials to prove we are an authentic user, and collect a credential from the sensor to complete our mutual authentication. Once the user is verified, indicated by the green LED on the tag, the sensor begins encrypting and transmitting real-time temperature data immediately. Now, let's return to the tag screen and pick the authentic tag again, but this time we will impersonate a black hat or fake user. The app sends its black hat credential to the tag, but we see that the sensor rejects this user, indicated by the red LED, and disconnects from the app. And the app shows the mutual authentication and data collection steps could not be completed. Finally, let's try our bad RSL10 tag. We will be an authentic user, not knowing that a bad tag has been inserted into our system. The app sends our valid authentication data to the tag, but we get a connection error when the tag authentication fails, revealing the tag's credentials are invalid. Using Veridify's security tools, this demo has shown that even the lowest resource and low-power SoCs can have strong quantum-resistant authentication and data protection at the edge of the IoT. You can get a SIMSYS-compliant RSL10 IoT Development Kit and this demonstration from ON Semiconductor's website. Thank you.